We have another lecture coming up for you. I want a lecture, that discussions, that talks to enlighten your mind, to give you suggestions, to let you know what is happening. So I invite Ma'am Sania to talk about new generation and joint family system.
So, what is the topic right now? What the topic we are discussing today? Joint family system. How much have you learned from the discussions we have had with our master trainers? The joint family system, living in an isolated environment. Children need people. The child is the reflection of his own home environment. I myself is not discussing on a specific topic, but I am over here to represent or to discuss my personal point of views. As living in a joint family system, as a new generation, I myself want to discuss some point of views. We over here discuss the point of views that a child should live in a joint family system. But my experience is very much different. I am living in a joint family system. I had a kid of 7 months, but I am facing a very problematic life while living in a joint family system. My mother-in-law, I want to discuss my personal point of view. A child is an absorbent mind period from 0 to 6 years, right? When I studied in Montessori environment, I learned different things. I used to learn, I trained, I practiced myself that we have to take or brought up a child in a pure Montessori way. We have to tell the child from the 0 years age that what is right, what is wrong. We have to show him practically. We cannot just tell him verbally, we have to show him practically. Joint family systems are the microsomes of the entire world. We say that child learns while living in the joint family system, he learns with his grandparents or with her grandparents. But my child is not learning while when he is living with his grandparents. I used to leave my child with my parents, that is the maternal grandparents. Because my mother-in-law used to say that खुद तो पढ़ के Montessori system पागल हो गई है, मेरे पोते को भी पागल कर देंगे. I myself teaching or dealing with my child in a Montessori way. He is just a 7-month-old child, but I used to tell him how to eat, how to drink, how to take his milk in a proper way. My mother-in-law used to ask me, क्या तुझे भी ऐसे ही पढ़ाया गया था? No doubt, my mother is not a Montessori trained mother, but she brought all of her 3 children in a pure Montessori way. We used to say that joint family systems are the combinations, they are combined, they are a one unit. But when I am living in a joint family system, there is no unity, no combination. I am living with my 5 brother-in-laws, but we are unaware of our problems, what we are facing. My brother-in-laws, they are not aware what problems me or my husband are facing. जब कभी खाने की टेबल पे बैठना होता है तो पता चलता है वो अच्छा ये मसला हो गया. After 2 to 3 months, my brother-in-law is going to be married, but 3 of my brother-in-laws are unaware what is the date of the marriage. We are living in a joint family system, but we do not have time because we all are engaged in our personal life. We all are engaged in the personal activities. I am doing job, I don't have time, like 9 to 5 working hours, and we know very well. Ma'am Anjum discussed one of her personal example जो उन्होंने जैन का बताया कि he was taking juice. Same example happened with me 5 days ago. मेरी मदर-इन-लॉ ने कह दिया था घर में राशन लाने को तो है नहीं, बच्चे को डब्बे का दूध पिला दिया. मतलब I was literally shocked. I am giving my son proper language. वो जिस किसी भी चीज को देख रहा होता है मैं उसको information दे देती हूँ. Usman, this is this. And my mother-in-law, we are living in joint family system. पागल है वो तो कुछ सुन ही नहीं रहा. Why he is not listening? He is listening. He is taking in the things from the environment. He is taking in the impressions from the environment. My mother, she is not Montessori trained. बच्चा है छोटा, उसके हाथ में आप सामने कोई भी चीज दो उसको अट्रैक्ट करेगा. मैं चाय पीती हूँ, वो चाय का मग मेरे हाथ से लेने की कोशिश करता है. मेरी मदर ने उसको ट्रेन किया. She used to drink the tea और वो उसको पकड़ता था. लाइक यहाँ से अम्मी अगर चाय पीनी है तो वो यहाँ से पकड़ता था. Ammi used to say, Usman, this is hot, don't touch it. Usman, this is hot, don't touch it. And within 3 days, he learned that the cup of tea is hot. And now, when I used to say, Usman, मैं उसको कप आगे करके देती हूँ, वो नहीं टच करता, वो मेरी तरफ मुस्कुरा के देखता है. कितना बड़ा बच्चा है. I am एम लिविंग इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम, बट मैं उसको एनवायरनमेंट नहीं दे पा रही जो फ्रूटफुल हेल्दी इन्वायरमेंट उसको देना चाहिए है, जो लैंग्वेज उसको लर्न करवानी चाहिए मैं नहीं प्रॉपर दे पा रही, मैं कितना टाइम उसको दूंगी? जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम्स आर द ब्लेसिंग्स वी यूज्ड टू से, बट नाउअडेज न्यू जनरेशन वी आर फेसिंग अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, स्पेशली मी। मतलब मैं नहीं उसके साथ वो सारी चीजें कर पा रही जो, मतलब माय पेरेंट्स, यस्टरडे माय मदर वाज टेलिंग मी कि सनिया जॉब कर रही हो, तुम्हारा बच्चा लैकिंग है, तुम्हारी तरफ से नहीं आ पा रहा, बट आई से दैट माय पेरेंट्स, माय मदर्स आर द ब्लेसिंग्स फॉर माय चाइल्ड. Seriously, they are the blessings. They are teaching my child in a pure Montessori way, although they are not Montessori trained. We used to say that while living in a joint family system, we can cover up with something, such things that financial problems are not there. जब आप अकेले होते हो आपके साथ कोई सपोर्ट होती है, बट आई डिस्कस माई एग्जाम्पल दैट वी डू नॉट हैव अ सिंगल सपोर्ट. कितनी बड़ी बड़ी भी प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही होती है, जब वो गुजर जाती है तो फिर उसके बाद पता चलता है कि जी ये फैमिली प्रॉब्लम भाभी या भाई के साथ हुई थी. But we are living under one roof. We are not aware of the problems. What is that?
हमें डिस्कशन के जरिए वो करना चाहिए. जो मैम ने कहा, मैं बिल्कुल फैन हो गई उनकी समझने की तरह कि इतनी ज़बरदस्त स्पीच की थी. जिस तरह से मैम ने कहा है, आई वॉन्ट टू बी इन माई फ्यूचर, कि मैं बनने की वो कोशिश ज़रूर करूँगी. टोटली यानी कि यस मैम. Okay.
And these are the different aspects. This is also a reality. That is also a reality. So let's just not break to results. Thank you.
I said it earlier that I am discussing this topic as a new generation. I'm not saying this कि I'm living apart या I'm taking my son and my husband away from that joint family system. I really mean sometimes मेरे पास बहुत सारी पॉजिटिव चीजें नहीं है जो जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम में रहते हुए मुझे फील हो रही हैं. बट आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट कि वो टोटल न्यू जनरेशन एंड ओल्ड जनरेशन या जॉइंट फैमिली सिस्टम एंड इंडिपेंडेंट लाइफ, इसमें कंपैरिजन का डिस्कशन नहीं हो रहा. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ, my personal experience according to Ma'am Anjum, which she has told me to discuss, and we are discussing about the new generations. You people have brother-in-laws, sister-in-laws, आपकी अपनी भाभियाँ होती हैं, क्या ये problems आप लोग face नहीं करते? New as a new generation, the child is or a lady or a Montessori lady is facing this problem कि खुद तो पढ़ी लिखी है, हमारे बच्चे को बिगाड़ रही है, या हमको पढ़ाने और हमको सिखाने आ रही है, isn't it? Listen, so am I wrong?
No, you are right.
If I am wrong, so please say. We use a specific terminology for joint family system is one for all and all for one. We specify this term joint family system in one phrase, that is one for all and all for one. फिर भी है सबकी जरूरत इज्तिमाई खानदान. ए खुदा